What's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Catrice NEWNESS. Let's get right into this. So this is going to be the first time that I'm trying out all of these products. So we are going to be essentially trying them together, getting our first impressions. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So first things first, we need to moisturize. Now, we just got a new moisturizer and it's the Catrice Hydro Protecting Melting Moisturizer. This stuff has ceramides in it. Now, ceramides are so important for your skin to repair your skin. So the fact that this is in here is amazing. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is great for keeping that moisture in your skin. So I'm just taking about that much on my hand and I'm gonna work this into my face. Okay, so now that I am moisturized, it's time to prime. I'm gonna use the Glowifier Illuminating Primer. This has watermelon extract in it and I'm just applying this to the skin. Wow. Look at that glow already, guys. So pretty, guys. I would even wear this on its own. No makeup, no nothing, just this primer because it evened out my skin tone and it gave me such a beautiful glow. So next I'm gonna go in with the Under Eye Brightener Instant Awake. And I'm just going to take a generous amount, put that underneath my eyes, where my dark circles are, and then wherever else I have pigmentation. And then I'm going to blend that out with my finger. Guys, what in the magic is going on here? Wow. And I'm just tapping that out. I'm not swiping. You can swipe, but ultimately at the end you want to be tapping it into the skin. So guys, this side has been blended out, this side has not. What do we think? I mean, I do not see any pigmentation on this side. It's completely covered and brightened my pigmentation, my acne scars. I'm obsessed. So because this brightener has a peachy tone to it, it makes it the perfect shade to combat under eye circles and gray discoloration. Amazing. Like if you want, this side's more blended out, but if you want quite a strong brightened under eye, you don't have to blend it out this much. You can leave it like this and put your concealer over it. Okay, so while the brightening cream is just sitting on my face, I am going to do brows. And for that, I'm going to use the Catrice Brow Fix Shaping Wax. I'm so excited for this. So we also have a new brush, and this goes perfectly with the brow shaping wax. They are a match made in heaven. So what I like to do is I like to swirl the brush in the product. Then on the back of my hand, I push that product into the brush. I like to make sure that it is evenly coated. And now I'm going to go in with the brow wax. So what I like to do is I like to brush through the hairs in an upward motion. Make sure I get all that product onto the brow hairs. If I need more product, I go back to my hand just to pick up some more. brushing it up. So now that the brow hairs are up, take the back of the brush and press those hairs down. Now I'm pressing that down. And then I'm going to shape. So taking that brush, I'm shaping the brow to my desired look. Okay guys, when you get to this step, do not be afraid of your brows. That is looking so beautiful. Now it's time for foundation. So next I'm going to go in with the Catrice True Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade Neutral Hazel. And I'm going to stipple this over my face. I'm not swiping, I'm stippling because I don't want to move the product that we've put underneath it. Alrighty. So now I am going to go in with concealer. We have a new concealer that I'm so excited to try. So this is the Catrice Clean ID High Cover Concealer. Guys, I think this one is going to be a game changer. Putting that where I would usually highlight. So now you're ready to go. Ready for that night out? No, I'm joking. Let's continue blending. So I'm using the same brush that I use for foundation, and I'm once again stippling that product. And this is high coverage. It's super lightweight. Like, I cannot feel that it's on my skin once it's blended out. So the shade that I used was Light Almond. Guys, this concealer is so good. I cannot feel that it's on my face. It's super lightweight, it's high coverage, and it's buildable. So now I'm going to shape and define with the Catrice Shape and Define Contour Stick. I am obsessed with this. If you've been watching our YouTube videos, you'll know I use this all the time. I'm actually gonna put some product on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, work that brush into the product, and work that into the areas that I want to contour. Now it's time to set the face. I'm going to use the Catrice Loose Banana Powder. So now it's time for blush. I'm going to be using the new Catrice Air Blush Glow and Matte Blushes. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so we are going to try them both. So this is the first shade. This is in the shade 120 Berry Breeze. And this is the Glow Blush in the shade 030 Rosy Love. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with this one. I'm going to just dip my brush into that, tap off the excess, and again, stipple this onto my cheeks. Are you seeing that? Instant color. Look at the difference. Insane. So that was the matte blush. I'm now going in with the glow blush. Wow, and you can actually see a difference. Like, I can see it on camera, and in person there is definitely a difference. Like, the mixture of these two, stunning. So now it's time for eyes. I'm going to use the new Catrice Desert Romance Slim Eyeshadow Palette. So first things first, I'm going to dip into this beautiful shade over here. So pretty. This is in the shade Dune, and I'm just running that through my crease. Then I'm gonna dip into this shade. So now I'm dipping into this shade. Then I'm gonna go in with this Catrice Kohl Kajal liner. This is in the shade Optic Brown Chalk. I'm taking that just underneath the waterline as well. So now I'm gonna go with the Catrice Brush Ink Liner and just align my eyes. So now I'm just dipping back into this dark brown shade and I'm going to add that to the crease. Just this outer part to intensify it a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in with the new Catrice Lift Up Mascara. Now I want to try layering the Boost Up Mascara on top of that. So what I am honestly realizing with this entire range of products is Catrice really thought out their products. They know that their products work well together. Like both mascaras together are just amazing. The basic products work amazing together. So we have a lip primer. This is the Catrice Better Than Fake Lips Plumping Lip Primer. And we are just going to apply this all over the lips. Ooh, it's minty. So next I'm going to go in with the Catrice Lip Plumping Lip Liner in the shade All Out. Then I'm going to go in with this Catrice Shine Balm Lipstick. And I'm just dabbing this slightly just to kind of blend out that line. Love this combo. I almost don't want to put anything on top of it, but I really have to try this Better Than Fake Lips Volume Gloss because it is just too tempting. Oh my gosh. I almost forgot my favorite part, and that is adding highlights. So I'm going to take this shade over here and just apply that to the inner corners. And I'm taking that on a brush and putting that on my cheeks. So guys, that's it, a full face of Catrice Newness. I am blown away by these products. I really can't say enough good things. If you want to get this look, you can shop all the products at Clicks, Discam, or online at House of Cosmetics. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.